What's up, guys? Yeah, but something looks a little different. Why does Animal Company look like this? I'm just kidding. It doesn't actually look like that. I did a glitch. Pretty much what you have to do is you have to eat two of these. Two like mini mushrooms, and then you buy two more. I know, yeah, I know. This was from Stinkle Bob. Then you go down here, eat two, and then walk back up, and it should be like a horror. It should be like big scary. Whoa, so scary. Sigma scary. And even if you grow. Bro, you sound like the ghost. Alright, it should be normal now. Alright. Yeah, but there has been an Animal Company update. Arena.
Yeah.
Arena. Alright, yeah, but no, oh my god, why do I look like that? Oh yeah, but anyway, let's go, come here. It should keep you in the same code, it's just gonna put you into, like, Arena. Bye-bye! Yeah, it did. Yeah, it did. Alright. Oh my god, Stinkle Bob! What team?
I am red!
No, you get to pick your teams. What team?
I'm gonna stay red.
I think right now I want to
Wait, who's gonna go solo?
I will.
You're gonna go solo?
No,
I'm gonna go solo.
No, I want.
Alright, fine,
No.
then we'll go to blue.
Alright, yeah, Stinkle
Fine.
Bob, you're gonna get tickled.
Alright, start the game! Bruh.
What the? What?
See? We gotta go wait.
This is the.
Oh my gosh.
These are the new guns!
Don't die.
Oh, nah. I'm cooked. Did I tickle him? No, I didn't.
No.
Don't respawn, just respawn normally.
No, stop. I promise I come in peace.
No, you don't.
Die.
Oh my gosh, I am sniping this man.
I still have.
We have to come over here. Oh my gosh. We have to mine the crystals on the other side. Come on, go. Quick. Did you just delete Gorg? Oh, mine! I just got a research point. Hey. I'm gonna mine this. I missed! No! Stinkle Bob, you're gonna get tickled! Ah! Break them! It doesn't work!
Stinkle Bob!
I just got tickled. I know. I like the pistols.
I'm gonna have my two.
Oh my gosh. Wow, you might want.
Bye bye.
Yeah, he's getting tickled.
Yeah, no. Yep.
Ain't no way he died. Where is Stinkle?
Probably mining our stuff. He has no chance.
No, he's not. He's up here.
What is this little gnome doing?
No, let me get you! Oh my gosh, I can't. Hurry up! Get back! Hurry up! Oh my gosh. You absolute you bum.
No, my HP was.
1978.
Bro, you're not safe.
Reload!
Off I go. Oh, Stinkle Bob, one more. right, who wants to go solo now?
I want to be solo now.
Okay.
I'll be
Stinkle
solo
Bob,
now.
we can't bring those into the arena. Actually, yeah, you can be no Stinkle Bob. Wait, no, Stinkle Bob, we need to get on red. Actually, wait, no. All right, start. Go.
Pistols? What? Pocket?
What the? How's he already over here? Stinkle Bob, you're selling.
Come on, save me! Now!
No, just respawn. Boom! Hi! Ah! Stinkle Bob, you're selling.
I hear that.
Stinkle Bob, get over to the other side. Oh my gosh. Stinkle Bob, help! Help in the zone! Oh my gosh. Yes, good
How
boy.
does it not work?
So hurry up and mine, quick. He's doing this Tommy style. Hurry up, mine them! What? I'm doing this Tommy style. Oh! Damn.
Got him.
Well, damn. Stinkle Bob, what are you doing? Stinkle Bob, what are you actually doing? What? How? I hit you. I hit you multiple times.
Yeah, just like how I hit you. Just like
All right,
how I
Stinkle
hit you.
Bob, hurry up. You're selling so badly.
I like this.
Stinkle Bob, get over here! What are you doing? Oh my gosh, you suck.
I dropped my guns on accident.
Oh!
How do I die
This is actually not.
like, what is this?
There ain't no way. Never mind, Stinkle Bob's not selling. What the butt cheek? What the booty butt? What is?
Got him.
He's camping.
Kill
Oh my
him.
gosh.
Ow, I shot you. You cheating.
What?
Got him. I only need one bullet.
Never mind. That ain't fun. I'll be fine.
Stinkle Bob, hurry up. Oh, what is? That's Stinkle Bob. What are you doing? Oh my gosh, no! What is this? My parkour! Oh my gosh. No! I'm the one
Didn't
selling,
even
not
let me-
Stinkle Bob.
You say that?
Okay! Go. Yes! What?
Yeah, that's right.
Ah!
Hey, stop.
This could go on forever, boy.
It's fun. We have a minute
This is
left.
Tommy style! Boom! Stinkle
Dude,
Bob,
what
mine
was
them!
the delay on
Stinkle
my
Bob,
channel?
mine them! Yeah, no, he's gonna get deleted. Hey, language boy. Stinkle Bob, hurry up!
And it doesn't even let me shoot.
Oh yeah!
Oh.
Yeah, no. When it comes to a 1v2, this update is a
Bye-bye.
0 out of 10.
Bye bye.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
All right, now I'm a. Okay.
This want a 1v1? Hear me?
I'm gonna get deleted, I know, but like, fine. Stinkle Bob. Yeah, he's out of here. Fine. Oh, wait a minute. Come over to the mirror real quick. Come here, boy. You don't show up.
Yeah, you either.
my god! Holy shit, I just hit a clip! Oh no, I'm gonna get deleted. Oh! There ain't no way. Come on! Boom! Whack it, boom!
Dude, this game is not fair.
I've at least hit you like 5 times.
Oh my gosh. Dodge and weave!
But like, what is this? This game is so...
Oh, I finally
And then
died.
the delay in a kill. The delay.
I gotta stop playing this game.
What? I gotta stop playing this.
Come on, bro.
Go on.
Next 7.
Boom! What is this? Oh yeah, dodge and weave. Boom! Oh yeah, boom. What? What?
I'm getting stuck on everything, bro.
Go on. Go.
My body.
What the? What? What? No. What's up, brother? Oh my gosh. I
I
actually
dropped
got him.
my other shotgun.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting stuck. Go, but what? How are you hitting your shots and why am I getting stuck on everything? No. Oh my gosh, go. Oh yeah. Oh! Whack it! Go!
Oh, I got a company coin. Research.
Yeah, I know, you can get that from that. Oh my gosh, yes! Oh, I actually got company points from that.
Alright, yeah. Pistols suck.
Oh!
There you go. I'm getting stuck on everything, bro.
Oh no! No! Quit getting stuck! I'm done with getting stuck! Please? Did he fall off the edge? I think he did. I'm just gonna go mine these.
I ain't ever playing this damn update again.
Oh my god! There ain't no way.
Damn.
I am not good at gun games as much as I used to.
Come on! Ooh. One. Gorg. Gorg. Murder me. Just the shotgun to. Ooh, one more. What happens if I boom? I got one more. One more. Oh damn. Oh not. What? Gorg! 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 Oh, Stinkle! Where is Stinkle
Here,
Bob?
take this.
What?
My iPad.
Tell Gord to get back on. He raged.
Come on, let's. Okay, stay here
on,
with that.
man.
Put it
Hello,
in your
you
stash. Come
Back
on,
on,
watermelon
Hunter.
guy. Let's do a video.
Yeah, he's getting back on. I
Going
think.
mining with the
Okay.
guy that has a galaxy item.
Chat heap. Whoa.
Can we go to office? Can we do stuff at office?
Not now,
Make big
Stinkle Bob.
Can
We
make
need
some-
to get
some
Gorg
big-
back on. We need to get Gorg. I beat him too badly in that.
But I want to do this. That
What?
flashlight.
Fine. Yeah, we can go in a minute once Gorg gets back on.
I'll put this at the top of my bag, but
It's okay.
But I'm never playing this up there again.
he said he's never gonna play that game again.
I
Yeah.
can't with that.
Yeah, it's not that
I don't
good.
like. I don't like how you can land your shots.
I know.
Damn! Aim shot to you. I can't kill you. This
Yeah.
game is so bad with it. I left feedback saying.
Hey! Come on, gotta put on the Tardo eye! Get out of here!
Hammy, can I show you what I got from your giveaway? Don't take, actually. Oh.
Oh, what's this?
No, no, no! What are you doing? Pumpkin! I want to
Right
open
back.
it. Stinkle Bob, can I open your pumpkin?
No way! I rolled it and it went right into his bag. That's actually insane.
Yeah,
Hey,
so
you put it in
apparently
my
we're just
bag?
apparently we're going to office. From
What?
from what Stinkle Bob is telling me. We are
Yeah.
going to office.
We're gonna do prevent flashlight.
How's this? We don't dupe our red flashlight. Maybe we should dupe this.
Yes.
Seems
Hope I'm gonna
good.
get a bag and I'm gonna get TNT.
Look, what's this?
Is that a galaxy one?
That's a big boy one.
We should try and get a galaxy one like this.
Yeah. Alright, hold on. I'm gonna go to Tech Tree and buy dynamite. Bang!
Hammy, you made it.
I have returned. I have the dynamite.
Alright, well then I'm gonna be the one who gets the ducks.
What is that on your back?
I did the faster way. So,
Single Bob, what are you yapping about?
what?
Well, I gotta fix something in my
Yo, I got you a grappler.
boundary.
I got you a grappler.
Oh, thank you.
I can buy now. I'm not
Oh
poor.
wait, this is my red bag. What am I doing?
Yeah, you're selling.
Why would I grab that? What is with me?
I just got a notch.
What are you yapping about?
Yeah, let's grab
Are you
another
going to get the ducks or no? Oh, you're right. It's not over there anymore.
one. 1 minute, I gotta leave and
Oh,
join
yeah,
back.
right, wait.
My
No.
hip slots are going weird. They're
No, they're
going
weird. They're
diagonal.
weird for me too. So don't close out. It's just the update that made them weird. Go this way.
No, it's
Go-
not the update. It was like this during the giveaway yesterday. When I left and joined
Oh
back, it
no!
worked.
Oh no! It's the update. Like, look at my backpack. Just come here. I don't think it's supposed to be sideways like that. But trust me, it's not that.
Why is my bag on sideways when I
No.
put one on?
No, just look in the mirror and you'll see. You'll see what I mean if you look into the mirror. Wait, you want me to buy you a blue backpack? I'll buy you one.
Yes, please. I would really like that.
I've got you. Just look in the mirror. And
where
you'll
you
see-
guys at? Under
Hold on!
Okay.
Yeah, just go. The way he's so chill about it. Are you at least mining ducks or no?
All right, let's go.
No, look. No, not that way. This way's faster. This way's faster. You go through the TV and then you'll see. But first, just look in the mirror. Look in the mirror. You'll see what I mean by they're sideways. Alright, yeah, go this way.
I got some office. There's 2 key cards
And then you jump down here. Ta-da!
Yeah.
Alright, let's go. Wait, you already got key cards?
This is what I have. Look at what I have.
You already have key cards?
I know.
Stinkle-Bob, do you
Yeah,
have
I
key
have
cards?
2. I have 2.
Wait, we don't have ducks though. We don't have ducks.
I need more office stuff.
No, we
Wait,
don't.
do we have any? Do we have key cards?
Yes,
Yeah.
I have 2.
Then what are we doing here?
Yeah.
I need more office stuff.
No, you don't.
Why?
Stinkle-Bob,
I'm about
Stinkle-Bob,
to.
you
I'm
do
gonna
not.
meet you guys
This
at
is
the
why
place.
we do not go to office with.
Look at look. Look what I got. I got.
Oh, you do? Are we? Where are we going?
Yeah, so.
What are we doing? This way. What are we doing?
I'm going to.
I'm tired of holding like 500 things of dynamite. I am going getting the ducks and I am out of here. What the what?
How am I right not?
Yo, we don't have ducks. What are you doing? Why are we going down here? We don't have ducks.
No, there's a way to get that. That's so funny, guy.
Yeah, I know. We don't have to kill him. He's not after us right now.
No, there's a way to get ducks from here.
Oh yeah, right. I forgot about that. Well, I'm going into the room and I'm waiting there. You guys can go collect the ducks.
Should we do the nut? Should we do
Nah.
the nut and
Nah,
the red flashlight?
nah.
But I can get my right now.
What's the point? Oh my gosh. What are we doing? Oh.
You don't have to fight him. You didn't have to fight him.
Okay, where are we going? We need to find the ducks.
I don't know.
I don't know why we. I don't know why we. Oh my gosh. We do not need that. All right, Stinkle-Bob. I swear, if you don't know what you're doing. Why would you stay on the ground?
Go to the place. I'll try and find us.
Stinkle-Bob died. Hold on. Orange George, Stinkle-Bob's dead, so you kind of need to get over here, please. Hold on, Stinkle-Bob. He's gonna kill me if I go down
Bro,
there.
I'm grabbing ducks.
All right, there we go.
I'll be starting by myself.
No, Stinkle-Bob. Oh my gosh, I swear.
Oh, yes. No, because it makes you revive. You look. It's here.
We're already at like the
I
place
got
where
all
you
my
put
stuff
the
ready.
stuff in.
Right? No.
What?
We're already at the place where you put the stuff in.
This is what I have. Look, I have
I'm going to grab ducks right.
I have tape and staple.
Stinkle-Bob, you're gonna stay here and watch my backpack so it doesn't despawn. All right, you're gonna stay up here because I'm gonna go help Orange George with ducks since you're probably not gonna. And I'm not holding a whole bag of
Why didn't the kids get back there?
Watch my backpack because it has a ton of stuff in it. I'm not dragging that around. Oh my gosh, can I make it any more clean?
Okay, because I'm already.
That means don't leave that room. I have arrived. I'm
Alright, well, let
tired.
me get all the ducks.
I'm tired of playing with the not so funny guy. I don't have any backpacks, so. Do we have enough ducks or no?
I don't know. Once my bag is full, then I know that we're good.
All right. Well,
It's only half.
that should be fine.
Half? Really?
Yeah, that should be good. Let's go.
Oh wow, that was fast.
Spider cause spider.
I swear, Stinkle Bob, if my bag despawned because you weren't waiting here. Oh my god.
What?
Stinkle Bob, do you
what is
have my
with
bag?
you?
Oh yeah, you do.
What?
Okay, good.
All right, Gorg. All right,
good boy.
put in the ducks. Put in the ducks. I'll watch the meter.
Yeah. Go.
Did you already put in the flashlight?
No.
Oh my god! Get out of here!
I haven't put it in.
Keep going, keep going, keep going. More! 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 One more.
Get in there.
Yes.
Wait, are we duping a boombox though? Are we duping my boombox?
Oh yeah, wait, we are doing the boombox. Yeah, that's what we were doing. Alright, I'm putting in the TNT. Tell me when it's good. Don't tell me you guys weren't waiting there.
A little bit more. Good.
I stopped! What is this? Is it good?
Yes.
Alright, boombox it goes! I slapped in the boombox. Wait, no, not yet. Where's my bag? Where's my bag? Where's my bag?
It's up there.
No, it's
No,
not!
you threw it down. Oh, then it's right down.
Oh, well.
No.
Not like I was gonna get anything from this anyway, because you guys were gonna go.
Okay, I have the key card. Ready?
Alright, let's go. Put it in.
Don't shoot
Stick it in.
Stick it in.
It gave me shotguns! Oh,
No.
I like that one.
Wait, that was the only neon boombox I had.
Here, I'll give you my big one. If that works. Backpack this.
That's mine.
No, we can use my best flashlight.
I'll revive you.
you doing?
I'll revive him.
Better. Revive me, good boy.
No! I died too!
Yeah.
Stinkle Bob!
My body. My
Revive me.
body.
Ah, good boy.
I'm done with it.
Alright, I have no more ammo, so I physically can't shoot you guys.
Oh wait, the ammo.
I do! Oh, I have a gun!
I got you. I thank you.
Alright, I'll revive you.
Don't hit me with the pickaxe.
Bro!
Alright, now that I have no more ammo or any weapons, I will revive you. Revive
I'm
him!
stuck. I'm stuck.
What?
Is anybody gonna revive me? No, stop! Stop!
Oh my god, is it really that hard, Mason?
Alright, so that's it for that video. Bye bye!
Shotgun